Join me as I dive into the world of NVTS stock and try to determine if it's a smart investment choice. NVTS, or Novin Incorporated, operates in the biopharmaceutical industry, focusing on the development of innovative nitric oxide-based treatments for various dermatological and oncological conditions. What makes NVTS intriguing is its unique approach to treating conditions like onychomycosis and actinic keratosis, setting it apart from traditional pharmaceutical solutions. Investing in NVTS stock comes with its fair share of challenges. One major concern is market volatility. The stock market can be unpredictable, and biotech stocks are often subject to significant fluctuations based on clinical trial results, regulatory approvals, or even market sentiment. Another challenge is the intense competition within the biopharmaceutical industry. NVTS faces competition from established pharmaceutical companies and newer biotech firms alike, all vying for market share in dermatology and oncology. Understanding the competitive landscape is crucial for evaluating NVTS stock. The biopharmaceutical industry is known for its high stakes and high rewards, where companies can see tremendous growth with the success of a single product. However, this also means that any setbacks, such as failed clinical trials or delays in regulatory approvals, can significantly impact a company's stock performance. Moreover, investor sentiment plays a significant role, with stocks often moving based on perceptions of a company's potential rather than actual financial performance. The financial health of NVTS is another critical factor to consider. Recent financial reports show that NVTS has been working to scale up its operations and expand its product offerings. Revenue growth has been a key focus, with the company investing heavily in research and development to drive innovation. Profit margins, however, have been a bit of a challenge due to the high costs associated with clinical trials and regulatory compliance. Looking ahead, NVTS's future projections suggest potential for growth, particularly if its products gain traction in the market. Recent news and developments have also impacted NVTS stock. For instance, any positive announcements regarding clinical trial results or partnerships with larger pharmaceutical companies can boost investor confidence. Conversely, any negative news, such as regulatory setbacks or slower than expected revenue growth, can lead to stock price declines. In my analysis, NVTS stock presents an interesting opportunity for investors looking for a biotech play with potential for growth. The company's innovative approach to treating dermatological and oncological conditions sets it apart, and its financials suggest a company that's investing in its future. However, the inherent risks in the biopharmaceutical sector mean that NVTS stock might not be suitable for all types of investors. The key to evaluating NVTS stock lies in understanding both its potential and its risks. On the one hand, successful product launches and partnerships could drive significant growth. On the other hand, challenges like competition and regulatory hurdles could pose substantial risks to its stock performance. Ultimately, whether NVTS stock is a good investment depends on your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. For those with a high-risk, high-reward strategy, NVTS might offer an attractive opportunity. For more conservative investors, it might be worth keeping on the radar but requires careful monitoring of its progress. To wrap up, evaluating NVTS stock involves weighing its innovative approach against the challenges of the biopharmaceutical industry. Key points include NVTS's unique nitric oxide-based treatments, the competitive landscape of the industry, financial health with a focus on revenue growth and profit margins, and the inherent risks and rewards. If you have any thoughts on NVTS stock or other investment opportunities, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other investment analysis videos for more insights into the world of stocks and biopharmaceuticals.